What up, brother?
What
brother
up, man?
Reiko?
What's going on, y'all? Good YouTube. I'm back again.
Yep.
You already know what it is. We at the Cambodian festival.
Yep. Cambodian New Year's, Cambodian
tempo.
festival. I wish I could. I can't zoom in with this right now, but we're gonna get it. That's the Cambodian flag. I don't really know what the other flags is for.
Right.
It might be regional.
Regional.
Yeah, it might be regional flags.
Yeah. But yeah, Cambodian flag right there, as you can see, and we about to see what's in the temple, y'all. So stay tuned.
Brother Reiko out here, going to his first Cambodian festival. Hey man, you gonna try that Cambodian food?
I'm gonna try that Cambodian food, y'all.
Exactly.
First time. You know, I tried Ethiopian food 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
And it was delicious.
Exactly.
A lot of protein.
Exactly. Now you're gonna try the Cambodian
they
food
say,
today.
oh, you ain't eat enough protein.
Yo, what's up? Name's Cool.
Yep.
I'm about to get out of here.
Exactly.
But enjoy the
Cambodian New Year's.
New Year's, yep. Cambodian, Thai, Laos.
Okay, yeah. So it's all three: Cambodian, Thai, Laos.
Southeast.
Okay.
At least us three. But yeah.
Got you. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. It's good seeing you again.
Southeast Asian food.
You never had Southeast Asian
I only
food?
had Northern Asian food, like Chinese. That's it.
That's it. Oh, really?
That's it.
You never. So you never had Cambodian Thai food, Laos food,
No.
the sticky rice, Jiripsu.
Oh, way! Wow!
My Khmer is that.
Well, thank you for trying.
Of course.
My name is Neil.
No. Johannes
Johanna, nice to meet you.
Reiko.
Reiko.
Reiko, nice to meet you,
Yeah,
Reiko. Thank you.
And then thank you.
Coming and check us out.
Yeah.
Of course, I love Khmer.
Yeah, I came from Holland,
Oh, really?
Michigan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And Akun.
Akun. Wow, excellent.
Thank you so much. I know I'm everywhere, B. I'm everywhere, yeah.
Right. The only thing I know is English, and I barely know that.
Hey, that's what I said too. I barely know English. If you go get most sugar cane, you're gonna get it from like the international store or
Yeah.
something like that.
So it's gonna be exotic by like pretty much.
Hey man, everything's exotic if you never had it or no one ever
let's
seen
try
you.
it. I'll try it.
Hey, I'm exotic in Cambodia.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. How much for one? First time.
First time trying sugar
Cane. Let's go.
I like
Way
it.
more different than what I thought it was going to be for
Exactly.
real.
This shit pretty good.
Right. You Somali? You Somali? Satahai. Yeah.
Now look.
You even got the Somalis out
Yeah,
here
now
drinking
look, now look.
the sugar cane.
I recommend the sugar cane juice.
All right, tell me more. The taste of it.
The taste of it is just.
It's sort
I'm
of.
gonna just let you know. When you taste it, you can be like, oh man,
You're gonna be like, oh God.
oh god.
All right, let me tell you, because you know, Reiko, he's a little bit new to this. This sugar cane. Let me taste one more time.
This sugar cane is it.
It's on point. But look, here's the thing I gotta say, because I never had sugar cane. It's got a little bit of an earthy taste.
Exactly.
A little bit of like a milky taste, a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then a little hint of sugar. Let's go, baby.
And the sugar, let's go.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
I should always be saying that in the middle of my video, but I
Don't
never
forget,
do.
y'all.
I never do. I actually never seen a pear tree, to be honest with you. So I didn't even know pears grew up like this. You know. Jiripsu.
Yes,
Jiripsu.
sure. I have this at home.
Oh, you have this at home?
It has like 4 or 5.
I love pear plants. I never seen one before.
Oh, they are size of like a granny apple, or even bigger, and they're delicious.
Yo. What up? What's up, there? What's good, yo? How you doing? Chilling. Oh, this is my cousin Reiko.
How you doing? Yeah.
I heard you had the Site 1 and Site Cold, you know what I'm saying? How much is it for like a little... Okay. 15. Okay. So you get 3 of them. Okay. I think we're going to walk around and we're going to come back. I just want to finish this so I can have, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're going to come back. All right. What's up, Bunko? How you doing? Good. I'm doing good. It's good, Bunko. How you doing? This is my cousin Rico. I see you got the sauces out. That's what's up, yeah. Exactly. This is my brother right here, Bunko. I've been knowing him for a very long time.
Yeah.
I know you have you're into fitness and you have your sauce company. So you want to tell them a little bit more about your?
Oh
sauce
yeah,
company?
absolutely. It's locally made here in Columbus, Ohio. You can see me over online. It's pokecampbellhotsauce.com. I have currently I have 5, but I'm gonna shrink it down to like 3 of the hottest. Peppers. One is like a habanero base, other one's a jalapeno base. Very spicy, very flavorful. And then I also have a really famous one that everyone likes, is a habanero Thai truffle chili oil. It's black and white summer truffles with truffle oil as well too. So come check me out. Once again, it's Poke. You'll see me around town. Everybody calls me Poke Cambo, Cambo Cooking, because I do pop-ups around town as well too. So if you want some heat, some good spice, definitely come check out my website, pokecampbellhotsauce.com.
Definitely, and I'm gonna have it in the link as well. And hopefully one day I can get you on my channel.
Yeah, for sure.
We
man.
can try Khmer food. You know?
Yeah, for sure. I'll cook it. We can definitely have a chat.
And with your hot sauce too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta let me know when.
Definitely. Thanks, brother.
All right, brother. Absolutely. Always a pleasure.
Yeah, same time. Like, they don't even care, yeah. They're about to have a game right here real quick. I don't know. Oh, it's like they stand in the middle and then they pull each way, you know? Gotta say what's up to the black people, you know what I'm saying? What's up, chillin'? How you doing, yo? Good to see you guys. Hey, yo, brother Rico. What's up, yo? What's up, y'all? I'm good, brother. How you been? What's up, brother? Oh, this is my cousin Rico. How you doing, man? Yeah. This is the first time you ever been to Cambodian New Year. Yeah. It's good. This your food truck?
Yeah, me and my wife, yeah. Hey, what's up? Hey, look, you want some Thai food? You want to get your noodle fix? Come on, man.
My favorite one. How are you? I'm good. Oh, I miss you so much. We're having a good time right now, I gotta say, you know what I'm saying? What do you say, brother Rico?
We are definitely having a good time.
Whew. I'm about to talk that Ohio players stuff real fast. Jiripsu Saat Srei, Saat Kamai Srei, Jiripsu Saat Kamau Srei. And there it is. There it is.
I'm an English speaker, man. I don't know.
Yo, you don't know what that means?
I don't know nothing, bro.
Well, it means, hey, beautiful Cambodian girl. Hey, beautiful black girl. You know what I'm saying?
I know nothing, bro. You know?
Okay.
Hey,
You on your Drake team?
Team.
Yo, happy Cambodian New Year's, y'all. Cheers. Cheers. Where?
Yeah, I ate whatever it was for.
Woo. Strong. Yeah, strong. All right, man. First time, hold on. So he has Psycho, this chicken?
That's chicken.
Okay. So look, man, you got Psycho, which is beef, Cambodian beef, and you got Saimon, which is Cambodian chicken. What you think about the beef, man? Come on, talk to me. At some point? At some point? Yeah, he can't even talk, yo. He can't even talk.
Hey, you want some veggie, man? Some veggie?
Is that what? You want to try some of these veggies? Trying to get him acclimated into Khmer culture, you know what I'm saying? I don't think he's ready for like. Yeah. Oh, it's amazing, yo. I love it. That's actually the first time I ever had it. Yeah. That's the best. I love this. You know what I'm saying?
Add sugar, like, nah, you don't need that.
You don't even need it. Yeah, this was good.
Natural sugar.
Yeah, natural sugar, man.
Now, you probably gonna try the chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Okay.
But it doesn't matter.
Which is Saimon. Say Saimon.
Saimon.
Saimon, yeah.
Saimon.
Yeah, Saimon.
Saimon.
Mon. Yep.
You wanna try Saimon?
Yep, Cambodian chicken. What's up?
Cambodian chicken. Now watch this, y'all.
With the seasonings, with the Cambodian seasonings. Let's go, baby. I know you, right?
Listen, it's chicken.
Yeah,
Make you wanna smack your mama.
exactly.
My mama, I'm gonna smack you.
You gonna smack him.
You gonna get my smack.
You know, I used to eat like Saimon, Saiko. Like I used to eat all the time with bai, which is rice.
Now you vegan.
Yeah, now I'm vegan, but I used to. No, you don't even know. I don't think you're ready for that yet, though.
That's like spicy and all that.
I love it. I love it.
I want to do it too here, but you know, it's hard work.
Yeah. You enjoying Cambodian New Year's, man?
Probably about 10, 11.
My guy. All right, yeah, we're gonna holler at her.
Ah, brother.
Love you, brother.
Love you.
Yeah, let me know about Tony's joint.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah. Thank you. My brother, love.
All right, bon cachaça.
Grab
Love you,
some
man.
more?
Be safe.
Always pleasure.
Always.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. You know what I'm saying?
Help yourself.
You want to know what's the car or something?
Yeah. Can I get one more? My fault. I ain't taking from somebody else.
No, you good.
All right, guys. So he got his chicken. He got his beef. My brother's eating good.
Hey, this chicken,
It's on point, right?
I'm a little bit tipsy because of him.
Woo.
Woo, that shit's strong.
That's when you come with your Johannes, man. Whew, look, it got the Cambodian flag with this slam. What is this, a Crusader? Is this an old school Crusader, Toyota Crusader? It is a Crusader. And he got the Gengar, Pokemon Gengar in the back. Hey, yo, this Crusader's hot.
Pretty fast.
This is probably low, you know what I'm saying? This is probably just for looks, cruising. This Crusader is the last rear-wheel drive. It's the last rear-wheel drive Toyota sedan in America. In Japan, they still make like, what do they make in Japan? I can't even think right now. Oh, Toyota Crowns, all kind of stuff. But in America, the Toyota Crusader was the last rear-wheel drive Toyota sedan. Hey, and this little girl just squirted me, man. The little boy out here drinking the water out of it and he squirted. Yo, no, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. First time you've been in a temple now. This is so beautiful.
Thank you. Just celebrate on last year.
Ah.
The building here.
Yeah,
Here.
it came last year, right?
On I think on October. Oh no, on September.
September.
We do celebrate like the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Okay.
More pretty too.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And over there side, the food over there.
Thank you so much. This is Saad.
Thanks.
Saad. Yeah, Saad. Yeah, come on. Yeah, this is beautiful.
How long do they meditate for?
Good question.
Probably meditate while they walking too.
Maybe, yeah, or pray. I don't know the ins and outs about the Buddhists. Yeah, this is beautiful. So I think I think if I'm correct, like tomorrow they have ceremonies, or maybe tonight they have ceremonies with like the monks. Cambodia got some beautiful culture, man. They got some beautiful culture. Like, how you living, Reiko? Gotta get you in the backdrop with the
Living good, just experiencing it.
new experiences.
What's going on?
Yeah, new experiences. Got some other brothers and sisters right here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what's up, though. It always feels good to have your feet out, you know what I'm saying? Like, drums everywhere.